Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel. Today's video from the lobby at Disney's Yacht Club in the heart of Walt Disney World, showing you its centerpiece Christmas tree and its nautically themed tree ornaments, first during the day and then again all sparkly at night. In between, we'll take a quick look at the lobby, beautifully trimmed with garland and wreaths. So first up, a 360-degree view of the Christmas tree midday. The large tree ornaments are quite visually striking, so we're going to take our time admiring them with you. Now a quick view of the lobby at Disney's Yacht Club with its holiday garland surrounding it. We now return to the same Christmas tree at night, all lit up and sparkly for a very different visual feast. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up so others will know to take a look. And remember, we are publishing one video each and every day between now and Christmas, highlighting a different aspect of Walt Disney World during the Christmas holiday season. So check out the videos in our Disney Christmas 2023 playlist, and if not already done so, subscribe to our channel to be notified of each day's holiday season. Disney World video.
Nancy and I hope you enjoyed this video. There are 2 more videos of our travel adventures to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And lastly, my email is in the description below. Thank you, and see you next time.